This is actually small. 600,000 bottles for this winery is their smallest seller. They have two others in Nuits Saint-Georges, one that contains 1 million bottles and the other contains 2 million bottles. So huge reserves, and this is the true advantage of being a big winery. They can afford to hold on to wines and sell them later. They can afford to in terms of space, in terms of cash flow, in every term you can imagine because they're so big. A small family winery would not be able to hold on to so many bottles. They have to keep selling them to make room for the next vintage, but also they've got to keep the cash coming in order to invest in the next vintage. So they've got a lot of bottles here. Some of them go back to the 1920s and of course younger than that. And they can release them. Not only when they're ready to drink, but depending on the market. As we said, in Australia, ready to drink is not the same as ready to drink in France or ready to drink in Belgium or something like that. So they have the options, depending on which market they're selling to release the wines when they feel it's appropriate. So it's a nice advantage.